I am going to explain you the carbon cycle in the atmosphere. Here is the diagram of carbon cycle for the standard 9 sub chapter 14 bio subject. Okay. As we know that carbon as the maximum number in the human body is the hydrogen, then oxygen. By mass oxygen is maximum. After that carbon is there. So carbon based life exists on this earth. Okay. And the reservoir of carbon is the carbon dioxide present in the atmosphere. This is the reservoir. Since reservoir is the carbon dioxide which is a gas, so it is also known as gaseous cycle. There are two types of biogeochemical cycle in the earth exist. Even Lord Krishna explained in Gita to the Arjun about the cyclic movement. Who are you? You are the step in this cycle. So don't worry that today you are alive, tomorrow you will be dying. Do your deed, work करो. आज तुम हो, कल दूसरे रहोगे. तो श्री कृष्ण भगवान ने गीता में अर्जुन को जो बताया वो साइक्लिक बायोजियोकेमिकल साइकिल के ही बारे में बताया. और भी ज्ञान की बातें हैं, बट ये मेनली ये साइंटिफिक रीजन है. तो एग्जिस्ट हम लोग क्या हैं, एक स्टेप हैं इन द ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. सो हाउ ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड प्रेजेंट इन द एटमॉस्फेयर इज 0.03%. इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस here this arrow show photosynthesis. The reaction is 6CO2 plus 12H2O. In presence of sunlight, chlorophyll, green plants manufacture their food. In the form of sugar, they form carbohydrate, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen containing compound. Carbon dioxide and water are formed also. So carbon here in the form of gas converts into solid. This sugar is solid now, fixed here. And this is fixed a very huge amount. In higher standard you will study that it is in trillions annually the carbon is fixed by this photosynthetic process. Okay. So in photosynthesis this carbon enter into the part of plant's biomass. Now 5 ways are there from which this plant biomass carbon further proceeds. The plants itself respire. So when they respire, means they do respiration, they also use oxygen in respiration by this equation. O2, 6H12O6, whatever the food they prepare first for themselves, they consume it for getting energy with the help of oxygen. An enzyme, CO2 is formed and H2O and energy is formed. So this CO2 again, carbon in the form of carbon dioxide return to the atmosphere. So finishing one cycle here, you are looking. Another, this carbon dioxide may be food eaten by animals or via food chain. You can also write here via food chain. Via food chain, this food enter into the animal and animals when respire by the same process the carbon dioxide return to the atmosphere. The animals may decay, may die and decay buried inside the earth crust, and when they decompose they form petroleum in the form of methane is a petroleum, which when burned we use this petroleum to run our cars, or burning of fuel the CO2 is again released to the atmosphere. So one cycle is again repeated. Third is here it may form the coal. Sometimes plant buried and form coal. When coal burns, release carbon dioxide, C plus O2, CO2. Coal is a carbon containing compound. So coal burns to release CO2, which returns in the cycle once again. Another way is from the atmospheric CO2 may react with water present in the ocean to form carbonates like this. Carbonate source. This carbonate is consumed like here. The carbonates of animals or this one present in the ocean may consumed by the some members of the ocean, and they form their carbonates, calcium carbonate compound. They are carbonates, and these carbonates when decomposed, when you heat this carbonate, CO2 is again released, it joins the cycle once again. So in this way, there is a circulation of carbon exists in the nature in the form of carbon cycle to support the life. Here you will understand that in non-living carbon dioxide convert into living, then via food chain living and then into non-living. तो आज जो जिंदा है कल वो मरेगा और फिर इस तरह से ये साइकिल हमेशा धरती पर चलती रहेगी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ कार्बन साइकिल। इसलिए कर्म करो, आज जिंदा हो कल मर जाओगे, जो कर्म करोगे वही जिंदा रहेगा। यही भगवान कृष्ण ने अर्जुन को बताया था। थैंक यू।